Way back, Saima 6th edition. 6 సంవత్సరాలు ఎలా అయిపోయినో తెలియదు. అంటే అంత పార్టీ చేశాను అనమాట ఇన్ని సంవత్సరాలు. బట్ ప్రతి సంవత్సరం మన సినిమాల్ని సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకునే ఒక అద్భుతమైన వేడుక. అది ఇండియాలో కాదు, ఒక ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్లో. I'd like to thank Vishnu, Brinda and everyone at the team of Saima for putting this huge event and making it bigger and bigger each year and making it so awesome for all of us. I'm very glad that I was part of Saima all these years. I hope to continue doing this if you guys want me to, that is. And
బాహుబలి తర్వాత ఇండియాలో ఉండేటట్లేదు, నేను ఇండియాలో ఉంటే ముందు తీసుకుంటాను.
ఇది జరిగేది అబుదాబీలో రా, ఇండియాలో కాదు.
అందుకే ఇండియాలో
So 30th of June and the 1st of July, like every year, mark your date. It's going to be an awesome celebration for everybody in the South Indian film fraternity. Thank you guys, thank you very much.
Saima has taken on really well with the global audience. Not only has it taken on with the global audience, but we've hit a hat-trick in terms of TRPs, making it the most viewed South Indian award show in South India. And I'd like to take this special moment in thanking Mr. Vivek Zang. Thank you so much for coming on board and being a title sponsor. Sir, we will make sure we make it memorable for you. And another added attraction this evening is that Saima has launched a special platform to award the talent from the digital entertainment media. With the boom in digital entertainment, it can't get better than having a short film award, which is why we are here to launch the Saima Short Film Awards today. And as always, our friends from the media have been very kind in supporting us. Please keep doing so. I'd like to take this moment to thank everybody on the stage, Pranita, Rana, Regina, Lakshmi, Sirish and Shraddha. Thank you so much for patronizing Saima over the years, and we look forward to your continued support as always.
We are delighted to partner with the 6th edition of the Saima. It's the most coveted platform representing South Indian cinema globally. Saima Awards recognize the best talent in the South Indian film industry. It is truly a pleasure to mark our presence on the same platform. So, as you know, Vivo as a global premium smartphone brand, and we were the title sponsor of IPL, and we just took the Pro Kabaddi title sponsor, and we're also today with the Saima show. Right. We value the importance of such a prestigious platform to the youth of the country. We at Vivo India constantly aim to innovate and introduce our products to our consumers. Our latest offering in the Indian market are a step ahead in our endeavor to revolutionize the selfie game. We expect a grand and successful association with Saima and hope you have an amazing time. Thank you very much.
I'm hosting Saima for the third time now in the past 6 years. Gives me a lot of joy. I was there the first year, and the work that went in, I saw how hard Vishnu and Brinda worked, and I thought, this is not going to happen next year. This is just too much. And then we came back the second year, came back the third, fourth, fifth, and now 6th. Every year just getting better and bigger. I want to really congratulate you for putting in all the effort and bringing all the 4 South industries together. Because before that, I was born and raised in the industry, as most of you know. I would meet people on a random here and there basis and hello, hi. But it's really Saima that really got people together, and I have made so many friends in the industry, across all industries. So thank you, Saima. Every year it's a real family celebration of just incredible work and talented people. And today here I see a lot of nominated short film contestants, right? So congratulations. This is a huge platform for you to be seen in. I really want to take each and every one of you who are nominated and who might win and will not win. You're all still winners this evening, because over hundreds of short films, yours has been shortlisted and you're here today. I hope each of you will take a win out of the short film that you did and become amazing filmmakers, because this is a beautiful family and we're all here to welcome all the good talent that is out there. So take this opportunity from Saima, hold on to your dreams, and the best has to happen. So again, Saima, thank you so much for having me this evening, and let the celebrations begin, June 30th and July 1st. Thank you.
Congratulations to Saima on the 6th edition. So నాకు ఈ సంవత్సరం కొత్తగా నచ్చిన విషయం ఏంటంటే like two of Telugu cinemas new talents, Sujit who made Gandrajaram and is making Saho, and Tarun Bhaskar have started their career in short films. I always felt short films also deserve a great platform, and I'm very happy that Saima is providing them that platform this year. I wish all of you, join the industry, help all of us take the industry to the next level, make great films. That is there, and I'm very happy. And I mean, there's a small nugget which I want to share. Navdeep, if you remember 2014 in Dubai, when the awards were happening, me and Navdeep were just walking around with the restaurant, and then we thought, I was telling him that one day I really want to host the Saima. You remember? Is that really right? Yeah, I told. Exactly. So it's kind of been on my wish list to host the Saima. So I hope to do a great job and entertain all of you. Hope to see all of you in Abu Dhabi on the 30th of June and 1st of July. Thank you very much.
It gives me immense pleasure to be back here at the 6th edition of Saima. I'd like to welcome Mr. Rohit Zhang and his company for actually being a part of this family this year, and this is your first time. It's going to be a memorable one for sure. Trust us. And to all the short film makers out there, this is the first year that Saima has introduced this. Vishnu and Vinod, amazing, and I'm so glad you guys have done this. It's an amazing thought to bring about something like this. I am someone who has come from short films. I did short films back in college. And all the very best to all of you aspiring young talent out there. And all the best to everyone else. And yay, let the celebrations begin. June 30th and July 1st. Thank you. I'm also performing at Saima this year, which is the first time for me, so very excited. My training from my childhood days has finally come to good news. But Saima has been associated with some of the best names in the industry, and it's nice to sort of add my name in there as well. Also, the short film awards, like Regina said, I also started out my career with the short films. In fact, it's quite rare to see such a big platform for short filmmakers. It gives you more encouragement, and who knows what would be next. So, great initiative by Saima, and good luck to everyone. See you guys in Abu Dhabi. Thank you. Saima as a brand has been growing every year, and I feel really lucky to have been a small part of this journey, and I'm looking forward to Saima this year, and congratulating Vishnu sir and Brinda ma'am on the 6th edition of Saima. And apart from this, I think it's wonderful that the short filmmakers and also that the included categories is not just the best short film, it also has best actor, best actress, and various other categories in a short film. I think this is one of a kind, and we are wishing them all the luck, and have a great day. Thank you.
Now the part of the film is no more now, but for 52 years we've been making movies, we've been in the movie business. We belong to over 30 film new directors. But back then things were different. The industry was much smaller. Kathal చెప్పేవాళ్ళు చాలా తక్కువ మంది ఉండేవాళ్ళు. అందరికీ ఇంటరాక్షన్ ఉండేది. తెలుగు సినిమా ఇండస్ట్రీ అనేది మొట్టమొదటి చెన్నై నుంచి మేము ఇక్కడ షిఫ్ట్ అవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వాజ్ స్మాల్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వాజ్ కంటైన్డ్. చాలా తక్కువ మంది సినిమాల్లో రావాలనుకున్నారు. స్లోగా సంవత్సరాలు అయ్యే కొద్దీ ఇట్ బికేమ్ అ వెరీ వెరీ బిగ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ. టుడే it's over $1 billion in Indian cinema, which is huge. And ప్రతిసారి ఒక తెలుగు సినిమా చేసిన తర్వాత హిందీకి వెళ్ళి అక్కడ కాంటెంట్ కొత్తగా ఉందని అక్కడ సినిమా చేస్తూ తర్వాత తమిళలో ఐ కెన్ ఫైండింగ్ అవుట్. బట్ none of us knew the right way to find out where we find filmmakers are from. And the first attempt to that was Ghazi, a film that I did.
చాలా మంది ఎవరైతే షార్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ మేకర్ అది వాళ్ళ సినిమాలు తీయడం వచ్చాను సార్, వాళ్ళకే సినిమాలు తీయడం వచ్చారు, మనకు రాజ్ సినిమా ఇక్కడ కూర్చొని మర్చిపోయాను. So really, content is among two guys. Film is for everybody. Film is a story that you guys have to tell. I have to thank a bunch of people who made me understand this. First, I'd like to thank Saima for actually putting this entire platform. Short films ni ante oka short film maker ఇప్పుడు మిమ్మల్ని ఎప్పుడు కలుస్తారు, నేను మిమ్మల్ని ఎప్పుడు కలుస్తాను. We don't have that interaction, but I think this is a beautiful platform for all of us to start meeting. I think things will get better from here on. అది కాకుండా నేను బాంబేలో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఖాన్ అనే ఒక ట్రావెల్ ఏజెన్సీ జాయింట్ వెంచర్ విత్ దెమ్. They taught me to understand how you can nurture filmmakers, how you can lead meta talent, and films like Ghazi was one, and then I have to give another big credit. Bahubali was platformed by Khan and by myself, and that's really where it is. Ghazi another, when it opened the window, Bahubali just closed the floodgate. So right now we are not a Telugu film industry, we are an Indian film industry. Sitting here in Hyderabad, we've been able to make the biggest film Asia ever saw, not the Chinese film, but in the Indian subcontinent. Today, people like the Wall Street Journal are writing about us, BBC is talking about a Telugu film. So which clearly means that the content is here amongst all of you. I'll tell you a little story about how I found Ghazi, the film. Sankalpan, a filmmaker, he made 3 short films before this. 2 of them shot on an iPhone. కానీ దాని తర్వాత ఏమంటే తను ఒక సబ్మరీన్ కప్ తీసుకెళ్ళి ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో డోర్ టు డోర్ ఈవెంట్ అండి ఫర్ 2 years. ఐ నెవర్ న్యూ ఈ వాజ్. తన దగ్గర ఒక 40 లక్షలు ఉంటే ఒక షార్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ చేద్దామని చెప్పి కవాలిగూడలో తన ఇంటి పైన ఒక సెట్ చేశాడు. ఆ ఇంటి పైన ఉన్న సెట్ ని మేడిపట్నంతో when we were going on the flower, Ramu, the filmmaker, saw that, and then this is where it is. It became a film, and we realized audiences always want great content, and you guys are the ones who know how to make great content. And we're here to platform you all with Khan, with Vibri Media. We're going to get all you winners, make sure you guys are going to make films, make sure we are all going to make films together, and you really are the future of our industry. Thank you very much for participating in this. I'm looking forward to a great association with all you short filmmakers. May you all be the greatest filmmakers in this country. Thank you.
మీ దగ్గర కథ ఉందనుకుంటే దే విల్ మేక్ యూ సిట్ విత్ ద యాక్టర్ యూ వాంట్ టు నరేట్ ద స్టోరీ ఇన్ అబుదాబి. సో ఎంతో మంది ఛాన్సుల కోసం ఎంతో కష్టపడుతున్నారు. సో మీరు వెయిట్ చేయకుండా మీ టాలెంట్ని మీ కుదిరినట్టుగా మీ షోకేస్ ఇట్, అండ్ నౌ ఐ థింక్ సైమా ఇస్ గివింగ్ ఎ వండర్ఫుల్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. అండ్ ఆల్సో ప్రొడక్షన్ హౌసెస్ కూడా చాలా ఉంటారు అక్కడ. సో వన్స్ యూ టెల్ దెమ్ ద స్టోరీ దే లైక్ ఇట్, దే విల్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ ద ఫిల్మ్ ఆల్సో ఫర్ యూ.
This is for the supporting actress Telugu, Janavi Dasar.
Congratulations, Janavi. I'm guessing this is
Thank you so much, guys. Really, yeah, definitely also poster story. So, thank you, Saima. Thank you. The Kannada film industry as such has seen an exponential boom in the past few years, where we're coming up with some very intelligent cinema, and that gives a lot of closet filmmakers who want to experiment in making films. Also, a lot of short films that are now being taken up by established producers, actors are now releasing films saying, hey, I'll do this for you, why don't you do what you feel like, what you believe in. So it's great, and I feel few of my friends sitting in the audience, in fact, I'm really happy for them too. Yes, let's get to the award. Best Supporting Actress, Kannada, and the award goes to Brinda Devraj for 23 Ipatmuru.
this is not the winner.
The best supporting actor Telugu winner ఎవరంటే అంకిత్ కొయ్య ఫర్ యదమరావు కోవాక. Coming down to short film awards, in fact, the first thing that came into my mind is thank you, Saima, because we down there in every city, every village, we just, whatever time we have, whatever we have, we try making a product out of it. And thank you so much for recognizing all of us. And then taking this award right in front of one of my inspiring actors, Rana Anna. You are an inspiring actor to me, because
I heard a lot of interviews when you told, a lot of people ask you, why do you do Ghazi while you're doing Bahubali? Why not some other commercial movie or something? I love this answer. It is, I'm an actor indeed. I love telling people stories. What is, does, I mean, I don't know, that's a fantastic answer. I wrote it in my book. It's fantastic. And thank you, my whole team, especially my director, Srikanth Sianna. Without you, maybe I'm happy I took this decision of doing a film with you. It's actually going to another feature film named Bella. Thank you so much for everything. And Saina, trust me, thank you so much. I don't know what to say. Thank you.
Like I've met a lot of short film makers and all that. They have great ideas. In fact, I wanted to make one. That's why I told me interview outside. I've been wanting to be a part of a good short film, and hopefully next year a short film which I act and be a part of will be nominated for the awards. I spent a lot of time with them for a web series or a short film, but nothing worked out so far. But all of them are great ideas. I think they're ahead of the curve, and I'm very excited to work with the next bunch of talent. You know, in the coming industry. Like Vishnu and Brinda for honoring all the short film makers and making this, a big event for them. And I'm very sure this appreciation and encouragement to the short film makers will go a long way, and they will be encouraged to come forward and make wonderful feature films, and really a bundle of future talent indeed. I really appreciate the effort. It's their own funds and sacrifice they put in making these wonderful movies. And today, talent from short films like we have Tarun Bhaskar sitting here. Another good talent I have seen come across is Kiran Shah, who did a few wonderful short films. And there's Bharat Kama, now he's entering into feature film too. And likewise, I want to congratulate and also wish all of you for a good opportunity to make feature films, which is your dream, I believe.
మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే వెంటనే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కి షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని ఆసక్తికరమైన వీడియోల కోసం క్రిష్ టీవీని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం ఎలాగా అనుకుంటున్నారా? కింద కనిపిస్తున్న రెడ్ కలర్ బటన్ ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసినట్టే.